This right here is a review on the Plaud Note Pin, and this is a brand new product from Plaud. I actually also have the Plaud Note, the original one, which is pretty cool, but this one's a little bit more wearable and discreet, and this is what I like about it because you get a bunch of accessories and different ways for you to actually wear it. And it's also doing the same thing. It's an AI voice recorder that can transcribe all your recordings, whether it is a class, a business meeting. For me, it was a doctor's appointments, and I will tell you a little bit about that. And it just takes everything. So first of all, I actually wore this like this today. We actually went over to the zoo and we did some activities. I recorded some of the stuff so I can go ahead and just transcribe everything they were saying about like the animals and stuff, and basically just a reminder for me. And I can go ahead and go over to the app, transcribe the recording, and have chat GPT explain it to me like I'm 10. So that's the cool part. And this one right here, you can go ahead and adjust it, basically able to wear it just the way you want it, which is kind of discreet, I want to say. This is very tough. And also right here is where you go ahead and adjust it on both sides. This is the way that you hang it. But overall, this is basically the size of the recorder right here. And if you do look at the box, basically is the size that's what's inside the box. This right here is also magnetic, and the way that you start the recording is you go ahead and press it and you'll feel like a little vibration, and this right here will go ahead and turn red, letting you know that it's currently recorded. And whenever you're done, just go ahead and press on the metal and it will vibrate twice and it will stop the recording. It's not like a touch or not a physical button, but it's kind of in between because you do have to like kind of hold it and press, not as hard, and it will go ahead and give you a feedback to let you know that you're recording. So pretty easy to use. Now right on the back, of course, we have Plaud, but this is where the fun part begins because this is how you wear it with the little collar around your neck. This is why I was showing this before, but this right here is actually removable, and this is where your pins are, so you can go ahead and attach it to the charger, and that's the way that you're going to go ahead and charge it. It's supposed to have 40 days of standby and 20 hours of continuous recording, which for me, I haven't had a chance where like it's dying and I need to recharge it or anything like that. It is basically just use it 2 weeks and then maybe charge it, but it has never died, and it just sticks here magnetically. This right here will connect via Type-C, which is pretty cool. Will charge in a probably no more than 45 minutes. And also you have this one, which is a clip. Flip it around and it's the same thing as this one. Just go ahead and magnets, and you can go ahead and also clip it to your clothes, to your hat, to your belt, wherever is easier for you. And last but not least, you also have the kind of bracelet watch attachment that goes all the way around it. This one's actually pretty cool if you don't wear watches like me. And the bracelet all the way around has magnets, so it's pretty easy to adjust. Just go ahead and tap start recording. For us, we actually went to my wife's doctor's appointment and we had no idea what the doctor was saying or even trying to remember what he was saying. So go ahead and turn this out, transcribe what he said, had ChatGPT or the AI software inside the app explain it to me like I'm 10, and makes it just much easier, things much easier. And also just when I need to grab something from the grocery, I'll record it here, and then once I get to the grocery, I'll go ahead and bring up the app and I can see everything that I said. But overall, this is a really nice small gadget that you can go ahead and use, and you're gonna find many ways to use it, and those are the reasons why I would recommend.